Hello everyone, this is Ibrahim, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the ifs function. So um, ifs function, this one. Yeah, so I have sales reps, and then these are their sales, and I would like to give them the commission, and this is the equation for the commission. If the sales is greater than or equal to 25 bucks, and then the commission is 10%. If the sales is greater than 10,000, and then the commission is 5%, and else we don't have any commission for those who their sales is less than or equal to 10,000. So this is how we use, let me zoom out, the ifs function. So um, we can use the line and we can use the box. So let's start with using the box. So go to formulas and then logical and then ifs, this one, ifs. This was the old one, which is if, but now this one is great ifs. So the logical test is if this cell is greater than or equals to 25,000. Tab. Value if true, the commission should be 10% multiplied by the sales. And the logical two is if, once again, if the sales is greater than 10,000, then 5% multiplied by this one. And logical true, because this is the last one. So when it is the last one, just type true, this one like this, true, and then tab. And if it's true, then just 0. That is it. So okay, and double click to send it down. There we go. So now we have 10% for this one, and 5% for this one, and 0 for this one because it's less than or equals to 10,000. So this is using the database. And then let us use the line. So say equals ifs tab, and if this one is greater than or equal to 25,000, comma, value if true, and then 10% multiplied by, so as you can see, I would like to click on C4, but I can't see C4. So you can click this one and then the right arrow to go to C4, which is easy. Otherwise, you can double click to expand this one and double click to expand this one, and now you can just a little bit increase the size here, and then you can equals ifs tab, and if this one is greater than or equals 25,000, comma, 10% multiplied by, now you see I can click, comma, and then once again, if this one is greater than 10,000, comma, and then 5% multiplied by this one, which is C4. So you can type C4, comma, and then true, comma, 0 and close parenthesis, and that is it. Then press enter and double click to send it down. Okay, so this is the end of the lecture. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much.